musicians for our party. We're going to the mouth. Hey, there y'all are. Lewis is up ahead. Let's join him and find a band for our celebration. To the mouth. Welcome, y'all. Let's meet up with Lewis and find some musicians for our party.
Don't care. Trials and tribulations, I've had my share. There ain't nothing gonna stop me now, 'cause I'm almost there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales can come true, but you gotta make them happen. It all depends on you. So I work real hard each and every day. Now things for sure are going my way. Just doing what I do. Look out, boys, I'm coming through, and I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People gonna come here from everywhere, and I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
Reproduction for religion is a platform and a song. Tell me what I told you so.
We all gon' pull together down here, that's how we do. Me for them and them for me. We all be there for you. We gon' dig it.
Tiana, what you know? This guy from Gang shit right out here, play.
Going down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou, taking you home. Yeah, you know.
They're the bees and leaves. I would love for y'all to play at my party. They can play. No doubt. We'll have them doing it. Yo.
We're gonna take it down, we're gonna take it down, we're gonna take it all the way down. We're gonna take it down, we're gonna take it down, we're gonna take it all the way. Going down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou, taking you all the way.
Oh my, this is all my man. Go down.
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Y'all ready to get down to business? Time to make me big and to get shiny.
All right.
you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make at the party. Now let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. Hang on. Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you.